Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows registry errors. So let's go quick into the process without further ado. So in the Windows search bar, type here CMD. That stands for command prompt. Then you have to click on run as administrator in the right pane. Then here you just need to simply type this command sfc space forward slash scan now. It's sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter. So this process will take some time depending on your Windows for the duration of the process. Obviously, this will start from 1% and will eventually goes up to 100%. So here's the thing, do not close this window unless it is completed. So you can only close out of here once this goes up to 100%. So once this goes out to 100%, just simply close this. Then in the Windows search bar again, type CMD. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Then here we need to type this command dism space forward slash online space forward slash clean up dash image space forward slash restore health. Okay, so it's dism space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. Then you just have to simply hit on the enter button on your keyboard. And once this process starts, you need to wait for this until it is fully completed. Now, here's a tip. If you are stuck at a certain percentage during the process, you can just simply press the space key on your keyboard until the process will goes on. You can just simply continuously press the space key on your keyboard and that might help you. So once this goes out to 100%, just simply close out of here. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on System. Scroll down and you'll find Recovery. Then here you'll find the rest of this PC. Click on this button. Then here you have two options. You have to click on Remove Everything. But here's the thing. You are going to back up. Make sure to back up all of your data, personal files, apps, and settings. Make sure to back up all of that before you can move on with this process. Click on Remove Everything. Then you have to click on cloud download after you have backed up everything on your Windows. Then once you click on cloud download, your PC will be restarted, and right after that your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.